Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about manufacturers. It's not talked about enough. In fact, you might never ever see a video like this ever. So I thought I would be a first. And if you guys want to say thank you, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Also leave a like and comment your favourite animal because I definitely want to do an animal series with stickers. But anyway, let's get started. I want to start off with enamel pins because it is extremely popular and extremely terrifying and hard to find a manufacturer. And a lot of the time when you ask someone about who they get their pins of, they will literally say, oh, I got them from AliExpress or Alibaba. That doesn't help. At all. And it's okay to not share your manufacturers if you don't want to. That is completely fine. However, I do find it a little bit odd in my opinion, because I feel like as long as no one's stealing your designs and they're doing their own thing, it doesn't matter whether they get it from the same manufacturer as you, because it's something completely different and it's not going to put you out of business because the things you are selling are different things, so you're going to have a different audience. You see where I'm coming from? So my manufacturer, which I will leave in the description, is actually someone from Instagram. I think they messaged me first actually, and I was really worried about this, so I did a bit of digging and I decided, you know what, my first Kickstarter, I would just do it. And I made sure that I saved some money just in case it was a scam and I had to go through that process and buy my pins somewhere else. But so far I have technically only had one order, but it was a total of 5 different pins and every single one came out so beautiful. I have them in this little tub. This is from Amazon, by the way, so I'll link that down below. I haven't technically got them in my shop yet. I've got a mystery option, so you can get a mystery one, but I haven't actually put them in my shop yet, which I so need to do because they've just been sitting here not making money. However, they are extremely beautiful. As you can see, the designs on these are quite intricate. So these were all part of my teddy bear shop Kickstarter and it went well. However, it was my first Kickstarter, no, my second. So I was still learning a lot and it went wrong. So I had to put in a lot of my own money to get them made. But I'm in the UK, so to get a parcel from somewhere out of the UK in is extremely difficult, and they did amazing. It was very fast shipping. They did ship them in these bags, which aren't great for the environment, but I also feel like they are friendly enough that you could ask to have it packaged in more eco-friendly items. And I will say the language barrier, I struggle with talking to people that are English, okay? I'm not a good see, I'm not good at explaining at all. However, I will say there wasn't too much of a barrier. It was very easy to communicate with them and ask them a lot of questions. I will say if you do want the process to go a lot smoother, you should probably search in enamel pin templates for manufacturers, that kind of stuff, and it will give you an example of the things that you could auto fill in, so that way they don't have to keep asking questions. She also sent me multiple pictures after the pins had started being made. Like I'm guessing probably the first 5 that were made, she probably picked her favourites and sent them. And I feel like that was really helpful, so I could check to make sure that they were okay and see how everything was going. I haven't even said her name yet, and I don't even know if I can say it correctly, so I do apologise, but I will just have her link down below for Instagram. Serena Zay, I think. I will put her actual name here as well and link her below. Now let's talk about stickers. I do want to do a video comparing different sticker manufacturers, comparing the price, the quality, the quantity, the size, all of that kind of stuff. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section. However, currently my fave go-to people to make my bulk stickers is Sticker Mule. Now it's very common place to go for stickers. I wouldn't necessarily say it's the lowest cost, but I will say the type of stickers you get I really like. They seem to be really sturdy and strong and thick, and they do, most of the time they might make it slightly bigger for you, but at the same price. Like, it doesn't cost you any extra, but also the prices aren't terribly expensive either. So I feel like it's a good middle ground, and I have tested them already. I have a lot of their stickers and I do love what they produce, so I do recommend Sticker Mule. So when it comes to notepads, I use banana print. I absolutely love banana print. The only problem is, do not impulse buy notepads, because even though they do like a low amount for a low cost, it's good, but when you have to sell them, you either make the smallest amount of profit if they sell, or you have to price them really high and then no one will buy. So try and make sure you get a good amount of people to say yes to what they want before purchasing, because you do want to purchase a good amount, maybe even do a Kickstarter to help, but you do want to purchase a large amount so that you can get the best price. But they ship really fast. The quality of the paper is amazing in my opinion, and I've only had one trouble before where they sent it in the wrong size, but they also allowed me to keep the wrong size so I could have double, if that makes sense, for like lower cost, you know? Just remember, always listen to your audience, because your audience are the ones buying, not you. Now when it comes to spiral notepads, obviously you can make your own. I don't know whether they're better at selling or not. I don't know if they're more expensive, and I don't know too much about it. However, I have looked into doing it as a possibility, and I do know a place that was recommended quite often, and they are called PixArt Printing. I don't know, you are more than welcome to go check for me, or if you want to see me do a review video on them, I'm more than happy to. As well as anything else I mentioned in this video, I will do a review video if you would like. But currently I don't know. Washi tape, keychains, maybe even stickers, possibly enamel pins and other pins, lanyards, pretty much everything they sell. I go to Vogue Grace. Vogue Grace is very popular because it is a really low cost manufacturing company, but it is also well known. It has been reviewed by other YouTubers, which is awesome, and I personally do buy things from there. So I believe these are the keychains from their sample pack. They do so many different types and the quality is amazing. So not only the sample pack, but I have bought my own. They're not great sellers, but I've just updated the listing to be more professional, so hopefully they will sell. But the quality, the look, they look amazing. They do kind of like sweet bags that have shakers in it. These are very expensive to make, so I have no idea, but I also personally wouldn't necessarily buy them because, I mean, it's okay, like it's cute, but it's not something that I would pay more for, you know? However, when it comes to things with moving inside, this design is amazing. Oh, they're all stuck at the bottom. Well, they're all stuck at the bottom, but basically it's a claw machine and it has teddies and they're all supposed to move, but they're currently not. But the quality of these are amazing. And the best part is the clasps. So they have heart clasp, stars, and I think there was a moon one as well, a dolphin one possibly, but they do a lot. And look at the quality of these. They do hollow ones, so this one has like a sparkle to it. Maybe I could create a video where I buy lots of different products from them and review their items. I feel like that could be quite good. So that's where I'd get all of that stuff from. Zap Creatives is a really good place to get wooden pins and keychains. So my sticker and vinyl paper is by this brand, Koala. They have good priced sticker paper, but most importantly, it's a good thickness, but it's also, it prints so beautiful. Like, it is so beautiful. I have tried Evergreen Goods, however I did get the wrong one. I got the inkjet / laser printer. Not a good one to get, so I don't actually know how good they are, but I think they are technically cheaper, but also they're harder to get on Amazon, so it's up to you. But I use the Koala and I personally find it amazing. Now, when it comes to the backing for my pins and stuff, the only place I have tried out is using the banana pin business cards. This is because they print in such a good size, but also banana print business cards are really low cost, especially when you buy a big amount. Like, you can get so many that it will become like a penny a piece, which is really good. If you do want A6 art prints at a really low cost, especially with the more you buy and it's still low cost, I would recommend Vistaprints postcards. These postcards come in A6. You can have them double-sided or single-sided, and I think I got a 500 for like less than £20, which is really good. So you could sell these art prints for like £1 each and you would make a good amount of profit, and because they're so cheap they would sell really well. Bookmarks. I've had bookmarks from Banana Print. Now these are really low cost bookmarks, you can get loads. However, I do recommend, unless you have people pre-order a lot of these items, I would try and make them yourself first. So I'm not sure about paper, but I have used Banana Print and they do come perfect, exactly what you asked for. They're a good thickness considering they're paper ones, and your design makes them beautiful. So I haven't done this yet because I want to use all of my non-recycle bags before, because I don't just want to throw them away. I feel like that would do like the worst for the planet, and I sadly bulk bought them because they were so cheap, and I thought, oh, I'll just get them because then I can use them all, and I didn't think about the environment. So I do have to get rid of my plastic bags. However, printed.com do cellophane bags. Obviously the more you buy the cheaper it gets, but it's not terrible either. So just remember what you're including in your postage and packaging price when you're asking a buyer to pay, because otherwise you might end up paying more because you want it to be biodegradable. So you've got to really think about what you're adding in. Sometimes it's a case of you need to find it cheaper. I'm going to be honest with you guys, a lot of the stuff I get that I want really cheap but it's not custom, I will go on AliExpress. I always look at the reviews and how many people have bought it because that makes the biggest difference, but they do low cost because they are more manufacturers themselves, so they can sell it at low cost but still make such a big profit because they're selling to us. You get what I mean? So if you do want to get something low cost that doesn't need to be customized, for example, stickers. So these are the really low cost thank you for your order sticker. Now they're not customized, they're nothing special, but they're really handy for a little extra. And I would go on AliExpress and buy them because they would be like £1 something, you know, so it wouldn't be so expensive compared to Amazon. However, if you need something soon, Amazon is your best bet because you are paying for that quick delivery. I feel like I have talked a lot, but also I feel like I have mentioned most of my manufacturers. If you do have any questions, do ask them. I will respond to everybody. If you want to see certain things, I will try my best to make it a video for you. And I just want to help you guys. And hopefully your business will grow amazing and we can be best friends. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as a thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!